first time I saw this home, I got to hear all the stories of how much this home has been loved. I sat on this bench in the entranceway that was thoughtfully handcrafted for the space. My feet walked across the hardwood floors as I heard the stories of how each piece of wood was handmade for the space. We gathered around the dining table, going through the details of the years they had spent in this home. While coffee was made in the kitchen, we gazed over at the fireplace, the space open, bright and cozy. Chilly nights with the fireplace crackling, the whole family enjoyed this space. But the backyard is where the big stories came, the pride in the deck with how sturdy it is, large parties of people gathered around with endless seating, and the best-built garden boxes around. The craftsmanship didn't end there. As we walked upstairs, I placed my hand on the railing and was once again brought into the stories of how they worked on that railing, the time, effort, and care that was put into it. When we got upstairs, they were sure to point out the new windows letting in sunlight from east and west, how they loved waking up in this space and how well it functioned for their family. The basement had been so much for them, now a fabulous crafting area and space to hang out, but once upon a time, it was where the kids and friends and family all piled in. From video games to Super Bowl, this basement has seen a lot of good times and created a lot of great memories. The garage or woodworking shop. This is where all the love was poured into the home and the biggest smiles were had. And the best part is how they are so ready for someone else to love this home and to start building their own memories.